Goa police successfully rescues 1-month-old child within 24 hours, which was allegedly kidnapped from the premises of GMC Bambolim yesterday. The lady along with the baby was found at Saleli village in Valpai. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant congratulated Goa police for successfully leading one of the biggest manhunts. Here's what Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant said. I congratulate Goa police for successfully leading one of the biggest manhunts in the state and safely rescuing a 1-month-old child within 24 hours. Safety and security of the citizens is the top priority of our government. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.